Welcome to the Valid AutoTarp training video. In this video, we will show you how to safely operate the AutoTarp system that has been installed on your trailer. The Valid AutoTarp is easy to use and is designed with convenience and safety in mind. Let's get started. First, attach the truck and trailer as you normally would. Each trailer is equipped with its own power source that is recharged by the truck. To operate the AutoTarp system, the ignition key must be set to on to power the trailer controls. Always be aware of hazards in your surrounding area. The AutoTarp will raise up and above the trailer, so always check for low-hanging power lines or other hazards that may be present. Starting on the driver's side and closest to the truck, approach the first chain binding. Each binding is equipped with a hook attachment similar to a standard tarping system. Disconnect the first chain binding and remove it from the ring above. Now hang the attachment from its resting hook. Some of these attachments will be equipped with chains and others with bungee cords. To remove the bungee cords, pull down on the bungee and remove it from its lower hook. Then again, disconnect the attachment from the ring above and hang it from its resting hook. Make sure the attachments are hanging correctly from their resting hooks before moving on. Continue this process along the driver's side of the trailer. If you're using both trailers, continue on to the next trailer. All of the attachments on the driver's side are removed in the same fashion. Once you finish on the driver's side, move around the back of the truck to the passenger side. The passenger side is also secured with chains and bungee cords. The bungee cords remain attached on the passenger side of the trailer. You only need to unhinge the chain binders. The chains remain in this hanging position. You do not have to remove them from the tarp. The controls have a simple design. You will see all three buttons have a green ring light. To open the tarp, press and hold the open button. As it opens, you will see the tarp raise up on the driver's side and slide down the wall of the trailer on the passenger side. From start to finish, the opening process takes about 1 minute. While it lowers, do not stand directly beneath the tarp to avoid any possible hazards falling from the top. While the tarp opens, you will see the open button on the control panel is flashing in green, and the power light will be flashing in yellow. This is what you want to see when opening the tarp. When the tarp reaches its finished position, the power light and the open light will both rapidly flash green. You can now move on to the next trailer. Once you've repeated the process on the next trailer, you are now ready to load. Ensure that the loader operator is aware that you have an AutoTarp system installed on the trailer. The AutoTarp system is designed to go up and over heaped loads. The loader operator should pile higher in the center to avoid any damage to the AutoTarp system. Now that you've finished loading your truck, we're ready to close the tarp. Again, be sure to check your surroundings both above and around the truck before you begin. To close the AutoTarp system, simply open up the operator panel and press and hold the close button and you will see the power button flash yellow again. Keep the button pressed for about 1 minute until the AutoTarp system closes. Once it's finished closing, the power button and the close button will flash green, indicating that the tarp is finished closing. Now you're ready to tighten it down using the chains and bungee cords on the side of your trailer. Start by tightening the first chain on the passenger side by the operator panel. The bungee cords should still be attached, but ensure that they have not shifted at any point during the loading process. Once you finish on the passenger side, move around the back of the trailer to the driver's side. First, unhook the connector from the hook above and attach it to the ring hanging from the tarp. Make sure it's attached properly before fastening the chain. To tighten down the bungee cords, unhook them from their resting hooks and hang them from the ring above. Then pull down on the cord to fasten it to the hook below. Ensure both the top and the bottom are connected properly before moving on. Continue this process all the way down the driver's side. Once all the bungees and chains are securely tightened, you're ready to go. All opening and closing procedures, as well as error code troubleshooting instructions, are outlined in the laminated one-page operator guide. In addition, a QR code located on the inside door of each control panel will link users to the full product manual and additional information including manual override procedures. Thank you for watching this short training video on the new AutoTarp system from Valid Manufacturing.